Welcome to today's What Moved the Market show. I'm your host Prem. It's Friday, September 12th, 2025, and here is everything you need to know as the markets close for today. Starting with the day's market performance summary, the Nifty 50 closed at 25,114, rising 108 points or 0.43%. It tested resistance near 25,140 levels but could not close above decisively. The Sensex finished at 81,904, up 356 points or 0.44%. The Bank Nifty ended near 54,400, gaining about 0.7% and tested resistance near 54,800 levels. The Indian rupee closed steady at around 88.3 against the US dollar, hovering near its recent lows. The overall sentiment was optimistic, supported by strong sectoral buying and positive global cues. Moving to top gainers and losers, Bharat Electronics gained nearly 4% on robust earnings, along with Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv and Axis Bank rallying. On the downside, Eternal, Hindustan Unilever, and Asian Paints fell up to 2% amid sector rotation. Mid and small cap stocks were mixed. The Urban Company IPO was a highlight, closing with an oversubscription of over 25 times, reflecting very strong investor demand ahead of its listing plan for next week. Regarding support and resistance, Nifty 50 held support near 24,900, while resistance was tested near 25,140. Bank Nifty support remained at 54,000 with resistance at 54,800, suggesting potential consolidation going into the next trading week. Sector-wise, metal stocks led gains with strong performances from Hindustan Copper and Hindustan Zinc. PSU banks and select IT counters also outperformed, while FMCG and real estate lagged due to profit booking. On the regulatory front, SEBI's consultation paper proposing phasing out weekly F&O expiry led to some pressure on capital market stocks like BSE and Angel One yesterday, but these declines were muted and not extended through today. Traders continue monitoring this development closely. Commodity update: crude oil prices remain steady. Gold closed slightly higher in INR, reversing a recent decline, while silver had a stellar day, rising nearly 3% in INR terms after several days of stability. Base metals had a mixed day with demand remaining stable. Geopolitically, tensions persist in the Middle East, mildly affecting energy-related sectors. Meanwhile, ongoing US-India trade talks continue to keep sentiment constructive. Technically, key levels to watch for coming trading sessions are support at 24,900 and resistance near 25,140 for Nifty 50. Bank Nifty's immediate zones are support near 54,000 and resistance around 54,800. Market participants should look for clear breakouts for directional cues. Your actionable takeaway: focus on well-performing sectors like metals and PSU banks, but maintain caution given the regulatory uncertainties around F&O trading and currency volatility. Employ tight stops around support zones and prepare for potentially volatile sessions early next week. Markets open next on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. That's all for today's wrap. Stay tuned for Monday morning's market update and do send your questions and thoughts. Have a great evening.